We're here for sentencing today for Mr. Kirkland.
Adjournment.
Have you had an opportunity? Well, before we even go there, I have some real concerns about Mr. Kirkland. I don't think he understands the gravity of any of this. And there appear to be a total of 5 active bench warrants for him. So,
Yeah,
Mr.
no, I was notified. I was told to get taken care of, to take care of those.
And have you?
I was just told like 2 days ago, and it was the weekend. I worked 2 jobs. I need to call them and get everything arranged and recall a couple of them because I've talked to I've talked to a lawyer, and I was told that 9 times out of 10, most of the time they're probably just gonna want me to pay whatever, or whatever, because the cases are so old. But I do need to reach out to them and get all that together. I just spend a vast majority of my time working. I work 3 jobs. I don't take many breaks, to be honest.
Mr. Kirkland, I read that.
I know.
And I am very concerned about the
I'm sorry.
fact that I read that you work all the time and you feel like you don't have time to take care of these matters. That's a part of what's concerning me about this. So what I'm going to do today, Mr. Kirkland, is I'm going to adjourn your sentencing. You need to take care of these bench warrants. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Can I ask like a huge favor to like anyone that could possibly maybe help me? Or like even maybe my lawyer. I just need help like getting pointed in the right direction and like how like which courts to like who to call and who to contact and stuff like that. Because I've tried on my own and I always kind of get a little frustrated because there is so many of them. And I know they're all going to want different things. Like I know I can handle it, you know what I'm saying? And I can pay them and stuff like that. But as far as like which court and who I need to contact and stuff like that, if anyone could maybe issue me a little assistance with that, I'd be greatly appreciative.
Ms. McDuffie?
Your Honor, there were a few things I wanted to address, but one of them, we can wait until the sentencing to go over most of that, because there was an agreement that we need to add to the PSR as well. But Mr. Kirkland was advised not 2 days ago, but several months ago when we reached out to discuss offers for this case, actually with his previous attorney. And we mentioned on the record that he had a warrant. His warrant out of 14A2 is not just a fine he has to pay. I had that case with him in 14A2 a year ago when I was over there. That bench warrant is for failure to appear for a sentencing in an OWI case. So I want to be clear that he has probation to serve or some sentence to be served in that whole other court as well. And that warrant has been out since August of last year. So that's one of the courts is 14A2 with Judge Barr that he needs to reach out to. There are others, obviously. But I just wanted it to be clear that he has a sentence on a whole other case, and it's not just a fine to pay to get the warrant to go away.
Mr. Kirkland, do you have a pen? Are you ready?
1 second. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have 2 warrants out of the 34th District Court.
Okay.
You have 1 out of the 18th, and the 34th District Court is in Romulus, just so you know. You have 1 out of the 18th District Court. That's in Westland. You have 1 out of the 15th District Court. That's out of Ann Arbor. That's a violation of probation for larceny. You have 1 out of City of Ypsi. That is the 14A2 District Court. And that's for OWI. So, Mr. Lebo, I don't know if you or someone from your office can reach out to him to assist him But he needs to have those matters resolved by the time that he comes back before me, which is going to be in person actually. Because if they're not resolved, I'm going to have to help them to get them resolved.
Yes, Your Honor.
That is going to be on March. Did he just hang up?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, that's going to be on March
No,
11th.
I'm in my memo pad.
Okay, that's going to be on March 11th, 2024 at 11 a.m. in person.